Once the SocialWiggle Pro plugin is installed, you'll see the SocialWiggle menu item under your Settings tab in the WordPress dashboard. The first thing you'll see under the SocialWiggle settings is the General tab, where you're asked for your license key. Everyone who purchases SocialWiggle Pro is provided a license key, which makes automatic updates available for 1 year. So you go ahead and enter your key and validate that. You'll get a success message, but I won't because this is a demo. And you'll also see that there's a look and feel tab. So if you want to add some custom CSS to your social icons, you can certainly do that. There's also an advanced section where you can enable debug mode or move your SocialWiggle Pro scripts to the footer. So over on networks, SocialWiggle Pro comes with over 25 networks and more being added, as opposed to SocialWiggle Lite, which just comes with 10. So you simply choose the networks you want, add in your URL and the tooltip that you would like to have, and then jump over to the demo page and you can see examples of how SocialWiggle Pro works. So you have your rounded squares, which is right here. You have a straight square, which is right there, and then you have round icons. And then you can choose the wiggle style. Right now it's set at random, and if you take a moment to look, you can see that the icons are randomly wiggling. You can also set that to wiggle on hover, so as you hover over an icon it will wiggle. And you can do that on page load, and it just wiggles once when the page is loaded. So if I choose this, you'll see them all wiggle at the same time just once. So it draws the user's attention over, and of course you can choose none if you like. Now over on the appearance and widgets, of course it comes with a widget, and I've got the widget already installed right here. And you basically choose your title, choose the size icons you would like, choose the style, and then choose whether you want it to go random on hover, on page load, or none. And you can see an example of how the widget is right now. And you can see underneath there's no SocialWiggle branding. On the light version there is. It says powered by SocialWiggle. Okay, now the really cool part about SocialWiggle Pro is that when you create a post or a page, and let me just refresh this here. Okay, you can see that there's now an Add Social Buttons button right above your edit screen. So basically what you do is you create your SocialWiggle shortcode with our shortcode generator. So you choose your button style. Let's choose 64. It gives you a little preview on the bottom. Let's choose rounded, and let's keep it at random. So it gives you the shortcode preview, so you can copy paste that if you need to, or you can simply click insert into your post. So if we go ahead and save this as a draft again, and then we preview this, you'll see that my icons have been added. So that's SocialWiggle Pro.